The Tesla stock holds an C14 at 84 and is currently being overbought on RSI. This does not have to be a sell signal, as many stocks may go both long and hard while being overbought on the RSI. It is therefore important to evaluate the history of the share, as it may tell you something about the RSI sensitiveness. The Tesla stock price gained 0.95% on the last trading day, Friday, 4th of December 2020, rising from $593.38 to $599.04, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 2.31% from a day low at $585.50 to a day high of $599.04. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 19.98% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -13 million shares, and in total, 29 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $17.31 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend, broken at $576.32, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $711.31 will be the next possible trend top level, and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. Signals and forecast: mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Tesla stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $581.91 and $464.85. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 30th, 2020, and so far it has risen 54.38%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Support, risk and stop loss: on the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $486.64 and $449.76. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $486.64. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $449.76 and $449.39. $486.64, $599.04. This stock may move very much during a day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $13.54 between high and low, or 2.31%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.98%. The Tesla stock is extremely overbought on C1484. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity, but since the stock has broken the trend up, the chance for a major correction due to high RSI is very small, as the stock will find support at the trend broken. Our recommended stop loss, $582.15, minus 2.82%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The C14 is 84 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 24 days ago. Is Tesla Incorporated stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive and the stock has broke the rising trend up, which indicates an even stronger rate of rising. We conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Tesla stock to perform well in the short-term period. Current score, 3.931. Also 78% of user sentiment are positive to the stock. The sentiment is based upon 334 votes on stock tweets. Predicted opening price for Tesla Incorporated of Monday, December 7, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 7, 2020. Current price $594.53, $599.04. Overvalued. By candidate unchanged analyst ratings. Wedbush does not see either upside or downside right now, giving TSLA neutral on their last update on November 23, 2020. The price target was set to $500, $560. Over the last 30 days, this security got 2 buy, 0 sell and 3 hold ratings. Tesla has the potential to change the world with long-range EV technology, avenue technology, and battery technology that can store solar energy that its products generate. The cost advantage of recharging over gasoline is significant, and gas will probably never be able to catch up. Furthermore, the instant torque of EVs makes them fun to drive, as the vehicle is always at full power. Its unique supercharger network makes Tesla the only automaker directly trying to alleviate the range anxiety of buying an EV. Tesla has the potential to change the world with long-range EV technology, avenue technology, and battery technology that can store solar energy that its products generate. The cost advantage of recharging over gasoline is significant, and gas will probably never be able to catch up. Furthermore, the instant torque of EVs makes them fun to drive, as the vehicle is always at full power. Its unique supercharger network makes Tesla the only automaker directly trying to alleviate the range anxiety of buying an EV.